Dogecoin value kind of equivalent to $0.0616 a coin in a sort of significant manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.0614. 0.0625. The earlier day close, 0.0621 in a by and large huge way. The change in every practical sense was 0.0005, 0.81% in an in every practical sense, huge way. Converse rate, United States dollars to Doge, so today's exchange cost range, 0.0614 0.0625, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin value expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, September 18, cost $0.063 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.067, truly least 0.059, which explicitly is very critical. Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, September 19, cost $0.063, kind of greatest 0.067. Genuinely least 0.059 in a quite large way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, September 20, cost $0.063, most certainly greatest 0.067, fundamentally least 0.059 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, September 21, cost $0.062, truly greatest 0.066, truly least 0.058. Genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, September 22, cost $0.060, sort of greatest 0.064, sort of least 0.056, which is very huge. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, September 25, cost $0.060, beautiful most extreme 0.064. Exceptionally least 0.056, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, September 26, cost $0.060, essentially most extreme 0.064, genuinely least 0.056 in a significant way. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, September 27, cost $0.060, genuinely most extreme 0.064. Essentially least 0.056, which is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, September 28, cost $0.060 in every way that really matters, greatest 0.064, genuinely least 0.056. In about 14 days. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, September 29, cost $0.061, truly greatest 0.065, most certainly least 0.057, which essentially is very huge. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, October 2, cost $0.061, certainly greatest 0.065, least 0.057 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, October 3, cost $0.061, essentially greatest 0.065, genuinely least 0.057, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, October 4, cost $0.061, especially greatest 0.065, least 0.057 incredibly. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, October 5, cost $0.061, greatest 0.065, most certainly least 0.057, or so they essentially thought. In 3 weeks. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, October 6, cost $0.059, truly greatest 0.063, kind of least 0.055, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin gauge on Monday, October 9, cost $0.059, kind of greatest 0.063, for the most part least 0.055 in a by and large significant manner. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, October 10, cost $0.062, for the most part greatest 0.066, kind of least 0.058 in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, October 11, cost $0.062, most certainly greatest 0.066, truly least 0.058, which truly is very critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, October 12, cost $0.062 in every practical sense, most extreme 0.066, especially least 0.058. which basically is genuinely huge. In about a month, Dogecoin figure on Friday, October 13, cost $0.062, fundamentally greatest $0.066, genuinely least $0.058. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, October 16, cost $0.062 in every practical sense, greatest $0.066, really least $0.058 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, October 17, cost $0.061, for the most part greatest $0.065, essentially least $0.057, which explicitly is very critical. United States dollars to Doge today. United States dollars to Doge conversion scale commonly equivalent to 16.2311 coins per $1 in a sort of huge manner. Today's reach 16.0128, 16.2920, the past day's nearby 16.1031, which basically is genuinely critical. Change for now plus 0.1280. Plus 0.79% in a significant way. United States dollars to Doge cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a really significant manner. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Monday, September 18, cost 15.873 coins, extremely greatest 16.949. Beautiful least 14.925, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to Doge forecast on Tuesday, September 19, cost 15.873 coins, most extreme 16.949, essentially least 14.925, which truly is genuinely critical. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, September 20, cost 15.873 coins, kind of greatest 16.949. Truly least 14.925, so dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, September 18, cost 15.873 coins in every practical sense, most extreme 16.949, exceptionally least 14.925, which by and large is genuinely huge. United States dollars to Doge expectation on Thursday, September 21, cost 16.129 coins, sort of greatest 17.241, fundamentally least 15.152 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin figure on Friday, September 22, cost 16.667 coins, greatest 17.857, especially least 15.625 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to Doge forecast on Monday, September 25, cost 16.667 coins, sort of greatest 17.857, especially least 15.625, or so they for the most part thought. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, September 26, cost 16.667 coins, certainly most extreme 17.857. Genuinely least 15.625 in an especially significant way. United States dollar